My name's Helen. This is my full stack capstone showing everything that I've learned through my time at NSS. The front end is mainly composed of React and Tailwind CSS. And then the back end, I primarily use Django to complete that. This application is an online spellbook for witches. So there's a list of spells that have a list of ingredients, and each user has their own inventory of ingredients where they can store the ingredients that they own. And the code will cross-reference their ingredients with the spell ingredients and let them know if they own the correct ingredients to complete the spell. So if you're not a member yet, you can leave the login page and go to the register page. As you can see by the asterisks, all of these fields are required inputs. So if I were to just click the avatar and then click register, it's going to let me know that I can't continue. Another feature of this page is that if I were to try and log in with the same email as an account that already exists in the database, it's going to let me know that an account already exists with this. And then lastly, if I were to try and register a new account, but I messed up with my password and my verified password and they aren't the same, it's also going to let me know, hey, your passwords do have to match before you can proceed. All right, and so let's log in with an account already in the database. So this is the home page. You can log out from here through this button. You have two main views, which is your spell view set and then your ingredient view set. If you were to go to your spells, you can see that you have a list of spells, your little avatars down here that you were able to pick on the register page, and then your spells are clickable too, so that you can see the details of what is needed for the spell and how to actually perform the spell. And so you can also search the intention of the spell. So if you know you want to do a love spell, it'll filter that down for you. If you know you want to do a protection spell, it'll also filter that down for you. So let's check out Love Powder. As you can see on the right side, it has what's needed for the spell. And then on the left side, you have how to complete the spell. And so right here, you can see that I'm missing some ingredients because they're showing up purple. I do intend to add this same exact functionality to the equipment where it compares what's needed to your own inventory of equipment and lets you know if you can complete the spell or if you're missing pieces of equipment. All right, and so your ingredient inventory looks like this. You can see that the ingredients are divvied up based on type. So there's oil, candles, flowers, etc. You can also hover over each of your ingredient to see their healing properties. So white rose is change and positive growth. Scented candle is calming. You can edit all of your ingredients. So if I wanted to get rid of all my white roses because I've used all 10 of them up, you could just hit delete. It's going to ask you a confirmation. Are you sure? You just say yes, and you can see that it's been taken out of your inventory. Let's say I wanted to change these 7 scented candles to actually orange candles because they're not scented, they're orange. I can just search for the orange candle, hit OK, and you can see it's been updated to an orange candle. One functionality that's also cool is, let's say I have 7 black cloths, but in my head I have 5 black cloths and I want to add those 5 black cloths to the inventory, but I didn't notice that I already had 7 black cloths added. I can go to this add ingredient page. The ingredients are organized alphabetically to make it easier for the user to find what they're looking for. I click on black cloth. If I also didn't complete this form and just tried to add it without the 2 required fields of quantity and unit, you can see that I'm going to get an error to fill out the entire form. But let's change this to 5 and cloth. And you can also cancel the form if you decide, halfway through you don't want to do it. It'll completely cancel the action. But after you add the 5 black cloths, you can see down below that it has been updated. It didn't create a duplicate of 7 black cloths and 5 black cloths. It just updated the already existing 5 black cloths. So, yep, this is my application. I think I only have a couple seconds before this video cuts off. So I just want to say, give me any feedback, updates about my application on what I can work on. And I do plan to continue working on this and continue improving it and just making it so much better than what it already is. But thanks for watching.